Hi, Scott doing a MarineMax in Louisville, Texas. And we're going to take a real brief look here at a 2023 year model Harris 250 Solstice. All right, so 250 Solstice. Really nice big long bench seating up here in the front of the boat. One of the nice things about all of the Harris models is that anywhere you see a mouse hole cutout, you're going to have a double USB port in all of those. So plenty of places to keep all your electronics charged. This one is also going to have a total lighting package, so there'll be LED lighting in your speakers, your cup holders, under the seat bases, under the rub rail, underwater, and up in the tower. So absolutely lit up, and it's all RGB lighting, so you can change those lights to any color that you choose. This does have the big stereo upgrade, so JL audio with a subwoofer and extra amplifiers to power everything. Elevated helm. Nice big SIMRAD screen in the middle. That's going to give you chart plotting, downscan sonar, forward-looking nav, as well as a digital readout of all of your engine gauges. There is Mercury Active trim built into your binnacle control now, so all of your tilt and trim is going to be done automatically for you while you're underway. So just put the boat into gear. As soon as you start coming up on plane, it's going to take care of the trim for you. This is the SL floor plan. So on this floor plan, you have this flip-flop backrest that you can keep flipped forward, flip it this way if you want to have, use it as a spotter seat, or it will also go down completely flat to make a full bed. So done really well. One of the things everyone really likes about Solstices is you get this really nice big back deck area. So plenty of room to help get the kids off and on the tubes, help them get their skis on, or while people are swimming around the back of the boat, great place to hang out back here on the back. And of course, the most popular option is the flip down swim seat. That's going to sit about a foot and a half underneath the surface of the water, make it real easy to get dogs or pets back in the boat, or just a great place to sit while everybody is swimming. Also built-in cooler underneath your back seat. So if you got any questions about this or any of the other ones you see online, right now we have about 15 Solstices in stock. So whenever it's good for you, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about them.